There's Haley. Don't do that, Haley. What do you want to say to Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Tyler, why don't you go over by Haley so you can talk to me too? I can see you.
Hi, Daddy.
Back up, back up, back up. There you go, Mom. Yeah.
Now can I do it?
No. Are you girls doing a dance for Daddy going out there, Ty, with Haley? Oh, Haley, that's nice. Where are you, Haley? Where are you, Tyler?
We're waiting for Bart.
And where are you going on Bart today?
Fairyland.
Where?
Fairyland.
Ooh, to Fairyland. Who are you going to meet before you go there?
We're going to Alama and Teresa.
You're going to meet Llama and Teresa?
Yeah.
Oh. That should be fun. Are you excited?
Elevator coming.
Have you ever been on Bart before?
No.
Oh, boy. Tyler, where are you? You want to talk to Daddy? Haley, talk to Daddy. Tell him what you do with the keys. And do what? This is Fairyland. Careful, you don't want to break the key.
Ooh, retro.
And there's Llama and Teresa at Fairyland with the girls. Back up. There you are. Have the elf sitting on the mushroom blowing bubbles. This is the entrance to Fairyland. More mushrooms. There they are. A key to the little lock.
Who's that flip-flopping on my screen?
Trust me, the biggest, fattest Billy Goat. What are you
Tyler, you
going
listening to
do
the
about
story?
I'm going to eat you.
Is he eating the billy goat?
And there are the billy goats.
it? And the goat, what are you most to do? Is down
Stay together.
Haley,
Can I?
in a minute.
What?
In a minute. Look at me.
We are at Fairyland and we're going to go on a boat ride and then
Haley, want to talk to Daddy? What are you about to do, Haley? Do you ride in the boat? Do you steer the boat? There's Tyler
Just on your nose.
driving her.
Bring that nose. Let me have your face. That's it. Sun's gonna go.
There's Llama and Teresa over by Tyler. And here she comes.
Maybe you're not finished. I'm sorry, David, you're not. Mommy, help David do his sunscreen. What? You.
Your nose, your cheeks, and eyes.
He doesn't want you to?
He doesn't like what I do.
Wait, what, David, what's the problem?
Oh dear.
Sam, come here. Sam. Say hello to Mom.
Did you?
Sam.
There's Haley. Hi, Ty. Want to wave at Daddy and say hello? Tell him what you're doing. I lost you. Where's Haley? There she is. Hi, Ty. Well, this is the bumper boats. Haley and Tyler are having a good time. This is all part of Fairyland. Is it recording? I gotta find you. Where are you? Hi, cutie. Let's find your sister. There she is. She's coming at us.